but something just wasn't right. I'm so happy you came and turned my darkness into light. You make my day, you came and cheered me up. You knew just what to say. You made my day, you were there for me. You were the answer to my prayer. You made my day, came and built me up. You knew just what to do. You make heaven stay, now I'm a stronger man, and it's all because of you. Every man should have a woman just like you, to love and understand him and to see him through. Everyone deserves someone to turn their gray skies blue. I'm so glad I met